it's Dave. It's hard to believe it's been a whole year since I started the channel. So I thought today I would explain a little bit why I started the channel, why I'm still having fun making videos for Dave's Auto DIY, and maybe give you some tips if you're interested in starting your own channel. So let's get right into it. You're watching Dave's Auto DIY. So why did I start the channel in the first place? Well, I kidded enough with my kids about starting a YouTube channel and becoming a YouTuber. I made so many jokes about it that one day we were sitting in the airport with a delayed flight and I decided to go ahead, go into YouTube and make a YouTube channel. Voila, I was a YouTuber. What did I do after that? Well, luckily my daughter helped me learn how to edit videos. She helped film the videos and it took it from there. The one thing I've learned about starting a YouTube channel is the filming is only part of the challenge. The bigger challenge is actually the video editing. We use CapCut. Luckily, my daughter is pretty proficient in using CapCut and edited many of my videos, taught me how to do it, and now I can edit many of my own videos. So it really has been a bit of a family affair. Both my daughters, my wife, even my dad have helped film parts of Dave's Auto DIY. So it really started out as a hobby. I love my car, my 1990 Miata named Thunder. And so I thought maybe making a YouTube channel would give me another fun thing to do to have some fun doing things with my car. So that's the making the videos. What about the content? Well, as you've probably figured out, I'm not a mechanic. I certainly have learned a lot through this past year. I've gained some confidence from starting with fairly minor jobs. I wouldn't have thought after 1 year I would be taking out my transmission and reinstalling it. I never thought I would have so many jobs. I only had a couple of ideas when I started with Thunder, but now I've got about 30 videos and there's a pile of more jobs sitting on my workbench to take care of. So given I'm not an expert mechanic, usually what I do is I watch other YouTubers do the job, learn from what they film, and then tackle the job myself. So what I like to do after watching other people's videos and trying to do the job myself is include in my videos some of what goes wrong. And believe me, lots of things go wrong.
Ah! It's broken. I broke the nut. Broke the stud off.
So I made a mistake. Let's just say I made the mistake to teach you a lesson during the video.
I rounded the bolt. So now I've gone out and I've bought a nut extractor kit.
But I believe if I show you what goes wrong and try to be honest with you, maybe I will save you from some of the troubles that I've had while trying to do the jobs. Sometimes you have to get creative. Sometimes you have to be patient, but just don't be afraid to try. So that's about it. If you've ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel, I'd encourage you to give it a try. It's not that hard. It can be a lot of fun. And please, please subscribe to my channel. Not only do I have fun making the videos, but I get a lot of enjoyment about seeing the subscriber count go up and the comments come in. So here's to a great first year of Dave's Auto DIY and hope there's many more. I hope you learned something. I hope you hit subscribe. And I hope to see you next time on Dave's Auto DIY.